What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. I am recording this impromptu as a follow-up to the video I did that talked about earning 1% interest on money sitting in a checking account. Got a call from a good friend who watched the video and is really excited about the potential, but wanted some clarification. So he asked some very pointed questions, and I was like, wow, this is thought-provoking. So I think it would make a great video and a great follow-on, something for the end cards in that SOFI video. So here we go. First question. I'm going to pop it up here on screen, and I'll be right back. So his first question: can the SOFI cash account be used like a regular bank account? Answer is absolutely yes. And I'm gonna see if I can bring up an image on screen here. It'll be a little snapshot from my SOFI account. And what you will see is all the things that you are used to seeing for a checking account. There's also an associated savings account that you can fully utilize. Both of them are capable of receiving directly deposited funds from your payroll distribution or your Social Security distribution. It is, for all intents and purposes, a bank account. It just happens to pay you 1% interest if you have a recurring direct deposit. So let's get into his next question, and I'll bring that up on screen as well. Can you pay bills using the SOFI checking account? Yes, you can. On screen, on the little image you see over here, there's a little pay bills icon. You can certainly do that, and it works, I think, as you would expect. Now, I'm going to get into my response to him in relation to paying bills. And what I said is, like, yes, you can do that and it'll work just fine. But here's a suggestion. I'm going to bring up another image. Don't forget that SOFI also has a MasterCard, a credit card that pays 2% in rewards. So my suggestion to my friend was, pay your bills with the credit card, earn the 2% cash back, and then pay off the credit card. Those are bills you were going to have to pay anyway. Why not get rewarded for doing so? So yeah, just a quick video here. Nothing too elaborate, but I thought it was a great call. On that other screen, on the first screen I showed you, I'll see if I'll bring it back up here. The little more button is the button you touch in the SOFI app, and that will reveal the routing number and account number associated with your checking account, savings account. Obviously, I'm not going to reveal that here for obvious reasons, but yeah, touching that little more button will give you all of the details you need to get to your employer, or if your employer is modern enough to where they're using a work day or something like that, where you can go in and make those changes yourself, then all the details are there. You can do that, and I think you'll be pretty happy with it. It works really, really well. Thanks for watching. Again, a quick video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was informational, and I hope you take action. Be well, stay safe, and you'll see me in the next video.